Hello everyone, this is Alfred. So our goal today is to install Python on our machines. Now if you're a Macintosh user, good news is that Python comes installed as part of the operating system, but we do want to confirm that it is on your machine. Let's go to Terminal. I'm on a Macintosh, and we will type Python 3 for Python version 3. And comes back saying yes, we have Python installed, and gives us the version number. Now just to make sure that everything's working okay, let's go ahead and launch Python. And so here now I'll just type Python 3, and we're in Python, what's called the interactive shell. You'll see what's called a chevron prompt, and let's just confirm that Python is working. We'll just say 2 plus 2, hit return, comes back with the answer 4. Okay, so good news, we've confirmed Python is installed on our machine. This is a Macintosh. Now let's go to Windows. Alright, now let's look at Windows. I'm running Windows in emulation mode inside a Macintosh. There might be some differences with your environment, but the idea will be the same. Alright, so what you want to do to install Python, natively Windows does not come with Python installed, so you'll have to install Python. There are a variety of ways in which you can do that, but we highly recommend that you go to the Python website. It's called python.org, and you should see something like this. Click on Downloads. It should recognize that you have Windows, and then Download for Windows. Click on the button, and it should create an executable or download an executable. You want to execute that. I've already installed it in environment, so I'm not going to go through the installation process. One very important thing is typically it will ask you during installation whether you want to add Python, whatever version number is the most current, to the path, and you do want to say yes. Okay, so once you've installed Python on your machine, what you want to do is launch the terminal. It's also called the PowerShell. And now we want to confirm that Python has been installed on your machine. So it should look something like this on your machine, the PowerShell, the terminal. And once again, we'll say, now this time in Windows, we'll say Python instead of Python 3 and version. And it comes back with, confirms that Python is installed. It's version 3.11.5. And let's also go ahead and verify that Python is working. And now we see the Python, what's called the interactive shell. Let's issue a very simple Python command. Let's have the Python interactive shell compute 2 plus 2. And it comes back with 4. So we're all set. We can exit out of Python by typing exit, 2 parentheses, open and close parentheses. We can also get out of the PowerShell. We're done with Python. All right, so congratulations. We should have successfully installed Python on your machine and confirmed that it's all working and we're ready to go. All right, so I'll see you with the next mission. Take care.